Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's day 2 on keto. Had a very wonderful breakfast today. Did go to sleep last night with a headache though. I knew it was gonna happen, and even though it's like day 1, it's just that's how my body is. As soon as I cut my carbs way down, the headache starts. So I did have some pickle juice, took a shower, went to bed, and that was it. Woke up this morning feeling wonderful. And I had, let's see, for breakfast this morning, I cooked some bacon in the pan, 2 strips, actually 4 strips, but I only ate 2, brought 2 with me to work. And in the pan, the bacon grease that was left, I cooked myself some jumbo eggs, scrambled them up. That was breakfast, bacon and eggs. I had a cup of decaf with my heavy cream and stevia. And I'm sorry that I'm squinting, but it's so bright and sunny out, you know. I should wear sunglasses, but then people say don't wear sunglasses in your video, so I don't know. So bear with the squinting. Yeah, so for lunch, I'm planning on doing a salad of some sort, maybe Caesar salad, because tonight we're going to be going out for dinner to celebrate Kevin's birthday. And I think I'm going to go for a bunless burger at that. So, have to keep my protein moderate, right? So I had bacon and eggs for breakfast. We'll be having a burger or some kind of protein for dinner. So for lunch, I'm going to do the veggie thing. And so I'm going to have, if they have it here, I'm going to make a salad with lettuce, some cucumber. I'm going to put some feta cheese on top and probably a little bit of Caesar dressing. I'm going to skip the protein for lunch if I can do that, and so I can have it for dinner. So that is the plan. You know, day 1 has passed behind me. It still does not mean that my glucose stores in my body are gone yet. So that's why I'm still feeling good. 2 more days in and I should be not feeling so hot for a day or 2. Not looking forward to that, because that means it will happen over the weekend. But you know what? I'm going to do this, and if it happens, it happens, and I'm not going to complain about it. I'm just going to prepare myself. I have olives with olive brine. I have pickles with pickle juice. I have my Himalayan salt. I have avocados for my potassium and spinach and things like that. So I will definitely be keeping my electrolytes up. Filled up one of these. Hold on, I'm going to show you. Filled up one of these to bring to work. It's just a Powerade bottle, but I filled it up with water, and I will be refilling this baby throughout the day. Should have brought my insulated cup, but I didn't. This was what I grabbed, because this is what was in my work bag from yesterday. I had a little bit left, and so I filled it up just to make things easy. Plus, this opening, believe it or not, is super wide, and at the hospital here, under the water thing that we have for our patients, it's just easier for me to fill it up. My metal water bottle has a very narrow top. So anyway, what else, guys? Thank you all for all of your support in the video that I posted last night, telling you that I was restarting. You guys like made me just feel so welcome back to our little community. And you know, I never really left, but you know, I deviated, and that's okay. We can do that. It's our life. That's what fit me at the time. This is what's fitting me at the time. So I'm excited to be back. I really am. The support I noticed within the group, the energy is back up again, which is nice. And yeah, that's it. Tonight is rest day from the gym. So I will be back in the gym tomorrow. Nice to have a rest day. Again, my glucose stores are still within my muscles. It takes about 3 days for them to go away. When you're keeping your carbs so low. So I should still have a good lift tomorrow. We'll see what happens on Sunday. I'll report back to you and let you know. I'm just so full of energy. I feel really good. I feel a little bit lighter today. And you guys know what that feels like. So, yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Just wanted to give you a quick little update. Again, every Thursday night I will be posting in my weigh-in results for you. And we will just all keep in touch. And I know a lot of you have started back again, which is fantastic. I'm proud of you. And we will all do this together. Okay? Have a wonderful day. Happy Friday, guys. Have a great weekend. Get out there and kick ass. Do your best and stay focused. And I will see you in my next video. Have a great day, guys. Bye.